Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I am more than happy to be able to show this wonderful tray I bought from a small business that I was more than happy to try. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate that as well. So I participated in the event called Jingle Drills 2024, and I saw that there were a couple of small businesses that were doing several items for the event. One item I saw was this really cute tray that it specifically is for Jingle Drills, to kind of commemorate the event. And I did finish my painting, submitted, so for everything for the event. So I really wanted something just kind of remember, the whole event. I did have fun, and I did appreciate, apologies, not appreciate, I did enjoy working on the smaller canvas I decided to complete. And when I saw the tray in this business, I was so excited to pick it up. And it originally came in this really dark, mysterious bubble mailer. I am not turning it around because it has my address, but the name of the company is called Flawadesigns. And apologies if I mispronounced that. And I saw the tray and I fell in love with it. I just love the little bubble mailer. It's real sturdy, and there was no issues or anything when it was, again, just shoved in my mailbox, as it always is. And I really do love this little mailer. At least I know, the item is protected. And it came in this, again, mysterious black box. I really like that. Little vintage Santa on there and a little smiley face. I cut it open just in case there was anything in there, that personal information. It did not, but I love the little smiley face on the little label that kind of seals it for me. I haven't seen what's inside it, so we're all going to see it together. Oh, that's cute. There's a little baggie in here. Peppermint. Oh my goodness, I love mints. And I believe this is the tray, and I love that it's a black snowflake. That is really neat. I don't see that a lot in tissue paper. And that's pretty much it for what's in the box. So let's see what's in here. We appreciate you. Thank you for supporting our small business. If you have any questions about your order, please reach out. Flawadesigns. Or Flawa. No, I think it's Flawa. As I said, I apologize if I'm mispronouncing it. I have never purchased anything from this small business, so I'm real excited to see all of the wonderful tray that I selected for the event. I believe that's everything. And I love that even the little baggie is color coordinated. I love the whole black coloring of it. It's so mysterious. I'm a big fan of that. That is really neat. So it's a little cute. Oh, I love these candy canes. They're the fruit flavored ones. I really like these. Couple of stickers, which I really appreciate. If y'all haven't noticed, I do love stickers. So there's a little cat. Oh my, little cat with legs. And the little Christmas lights. I think I'm going to put this up because I don't have any Christmas stickers. I think I'll pull it. This, I actually have a friend that has a tabby that looks like this. I think she'll appreciate that. This cat is a little sassy for me. I really do like that. I like these stickers. And little business card. Oh, apologies, it's not a business card. I am not too sure. I believe it's I am not too sure what it is. Holiday wishes to you, thoughtfuls. I've never seen one of these before. It's so pretty, but apparently you can pop open. I kind of don't want to tear it. It's so pretty. Remember this December that love weighs more than gold. Josephine Dodge, Dascom Bacon. Apologies for that. Ooh, I really like it. I think they're just little sayings. Oh, thoughtfuls. Yeah. Oh, that is so nice. First of all, that is so sweet. I really do like that. And for myself, I highly do believe that. Remember these kind words in case, you ever just want something to make you smile. And I really love the little card. I actually want to keep it standing on my desk. I don't have anything Christmassy right now on my desk, so I'll put it here. I could just see it. I love the little decal on it. Well, let me put it aside because I'm worried it's going to fall. That is so cute. I love that. Little packet of tea. It's chamomile and lavender. Huh. I do like chamomile tea. It does relax you. Chamomile is really relaxing. It does help you sleep. Never had one with lavender. Huh. I think I might make this probably this week. It is Christmas week, so yeah, we're all we're all gonna need some sleep after this week. I really do like that. And their business card. Excuse me. Flawadesigns, unique handmade treasures. And this is all of their socials. I love they have palm trees. I love that. I found that the little businesses in Florida because I saw the little mailing tags. So the palm trees kind of make sense to me. And same thing in the back as their little design for their company. Oh, this is so cute. I really like it. Let me get this a little closer for y'all just in case you want to see any of their information for their socials. Apologies, the lighting. I didn't fix my ring light. Hopefully you can see it. Ooh, it has everything. Their emails, their Etsy store, phone number, and all of that. Their Instagram as well as a TikTok. Ooh, I like that a lot. Ooh, I like that. I gotta find them on Instagram. And this is the tray. I really do like this tissue paper. It's sealed by a little sticker that has their company name. I really like all of it. The tray I originally thought was smaller, but now that I'm holding it, it's a little larger than I thought. I was being real careful. I did not want to tear the paper. I really like it. So let me just open it up real quick. So dramatic. I love that. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Oh, it has another sticker. It is Merry Christmas. And it's a little gnome with a deer. Oh, that's so cute. I like that. I think I will. Oh, it also has a little... Sure. They kind of look like little dolls. Huh, I like that. Kind of like this sticker. It's real pretty. And include... Oh my goodness, it has a cover minder. Oh, it's a free gift. Oh my goodness, the snowflake. Okay. About me, I love snowflakes. Which is funny because where I live, it never snows. So... that might be why I love snowflakes. Oh, that is so cute. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. It says it's a free gift. So, I do love cover minders. I don't use them as much as I did, but I have no problems using this season. Oh, that is so pretty. And I love it's a really thick one because it's a little weighted. Little magnet in the back. Oh, that is real neat. The magnet is within. That is real smart. It's within the plastic, so... You would just have to remove this magnet and you don't have to worry about the one attached to it being removed. That is so smart. I actually like that design. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm going to use it in my next painting. I like this. Well, currently I'm working on my Orlo painting, so you'll probably see this one again. And this is the wonderful tray. So I actually saw another diamond painter in another channel that she was reviewing and looking at, you know, small businesses and some of their items that they've been doing for the event. And they pointed out this one. They had a different color. So when I went to go order, I saw they had this wonderful white with snowflakes and I had to pick it up. I really love the snowflake design on it. And I loved all the color multiple strips that I saw. I really like that as well. It really does match the cover minder. As you can see, it says Jingle Drills 24 with a little snowflake. This, I believe, is resin. It kind of feels like it. It has a little separator and it has a little spout so you can pour out the diamonds. I really like this tray. I want to see what it looks like with diamonds. I have a couple of diamonds here. I was actually painting my Orlo painting. So I kind of want to see how they look. And I've never had a tray that has really deep separators this way. Ooh, moved it too close to the edge there. Space it out. Oh, look at that. They line up perfectly. Oh, I appreciate that. Apologies, I shook it too hard, so I kind of caused the diamond to come out. Oh, this is so pretty. For myself, mostly because you just saw I shook this way too hard, I think I'm going to use, I think I have one here. Yeah, I do have one here. Apologies. I'm going to use one of our trusty little sturdy pen grips. I'm going to tuck it in just to keep it safe. I'm sure I can find something a little bit more elegant, but I have a lot of these, so I can use these to hold it. And oh my goodness, I love how it separates and lines up all the diamonds. Oh, I'm going to use this tray while I'm painting. Probably after I'm done recording. I'm always painting. It has the name of the company on the side as well. Apologies, I didn't point that out. And at the bottom, it's just solid white. I was going to flip it, but I forgot I had diamonds. I love this tray. And I have small hands. I have smaller hands. But holding it is really comfortable. And I do have a habit of holding my tray while I'm placing, especially when I'm single placing really quickly. Oh my goodness, I really love this tray. And the other coloring I saw this tray was a black color. But as I said, I fell in love with the snowflakes, so that's why I picked this white. And it reminds me of old Christmas ribbon candy. If you all ever, had that. Yeah, that's what this coloring and the ribbon reminds me of. That's I really, really liked it when I picked it up. And it is, as I said, a lot larger than I thought. Oh, this is so, so neat. Oh my goodness, I love this tray. I'm going to say that over and over. And they do have, I did search more on their website that, oh, I poured that a little aggressively. Oh, that did pour with no problem, except if Rosie's not shaking it too hard. And yeah, apologies. Their site does have different other trays if you do not wish for an event tray. And I saw that as well. There were several other tray designs that I kind of liked as well, but I really wanted this specifically for the event. That even though the event does end in December, I will still continue using this tray, even for next year when I do jingle drills. There is a 25, and I'll pick up the next one. I really do like this tray. I'm going to say that over and over, and apologies for that. And apologies, I kept spilling the diamonds. I don't know. I'll be honest. I'm really, really loving this tray, and it took me aback a bit. So that's how the diamonds are flying everywhere. Sorry about that. And again, this company, let me show you the information again, is a small business. And I've been looking, as I said, I do try to purchase a lot of items from small businesses. I do have another tray coming in from a different business, but that one's going to take a little longer because they're in another country. As I said, this company is located in the US, so this one didn't take too long for me to receive. The other one, when I do receive it, I'll make sure to do a recording. And just to show it again, and the name of the company and all of this, I'll make sure to put in the description below, just so in case you're interested in this shape or even for just the little coloring of this tray. And you can see, as I said, all the other designs that they have that can be a different coloring. I really do love this tray. I actually want to start painting, so I'm in the video now. and yeah, I really, really do love this tray. Apologies for that, and thank you so much, flawadesigns. I really do appreciate the cover reminder. I did not expect this, and I am really loving this. I love the little snowflake. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. Accessories and all. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.